Hey everybody, so today in this quick tutorial we're going to just cover the .map method, which is an array method. So what it does is it's a really nifty way of iterating over an array, and what iterating means is that doing something to each item in the array. So here, I'm going to blow this up real quick so you can see it. So in this script here, we just have an original array, and we've just assigned it an array of value 1, 2, 3, and 4, these strings. And then we're just going to call .map on this array, and then we're going to pass in the callback function of my cool callback that I just made. And what's useful about array is that it gives you some of these values automatically off the bat. So what it's going to log is the map function. The first value in your callback function is going to be the actual value, the current value of the array. The second value is going to be the index of the value that it's working on. And then the third value, if you want to, these are both optional. These two second values are optional. The third option is the original array. It'll print out the entire thing. So when I run this, I save this and I run it. This is my demo page. You'll see it just prints out this sentence 4 times because we have 4 values in the array, and it's like the map function is looking at the value 1, it was looking at this one, and index 0 because it's 0 based index. Remember, arrays are 0 based index. And then it prints out the array as a string, so it just prints out the values 1, 2, 3, 4. So the other thing I'm going to show you about these arrays, let me comment out these, or delete them, that's fine too. So the thing to know about array is that it actually it returns a new array, so it doesn't modify the old array, which is actually pretty handy. So right here, see, we still have our original array with the values in them, and then I'm going to create a new array, and I'm going to call original array.map like we did before, but this time I'm just going to pass in a function instead of creating it and then passing it in. You can do either one is fine. And then I'm still going to capture those values of current value, current index in the original array. And then now I'm going to place the map function will place in place of these values, it'll put the return statement, whatever this new function returns, as the new values in the new array. So I'm putting new and then current value, so it's taking the whatever value it's working on, current value at index, and I'm taking the index. And then I'm also printing out the original array, this argument also. So the way to visualize that is that it's getting the value from the original array and it's running it through the map function, or the function that we provide to map more accurately, and then it's putting it into the new array. So I'm going to console log out the original array, and then we'll console out the new array, and you'll be able to see the difference. Refresh it. Oh, I got an error because this is not valid, so I'm going to comment that back out. That was just for an illustration. And we will refresh the page. And now see, it prints out the original array with just the normal values, and then it prints out our new array. Same length. It's always going to be the same length that it returns. It's just the new array, but then it has the new value and then our sentence we put in. So if you want, you just picture the map function as a like a mini factory that you take your current values and then you do something to them and then you output a new array. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys.